What is up, YouTube? Happy Kid 22 back at you guys with another video. Sorry, it's been a while. This is only what I picked up this weekend for Memorial Day weekend. I will definitely have to get another video going on what I picked up a couple months back and everything else. I mean, it's looking like a great stash this year. Can't wait to show you guys. But let me show you guys what I picked up this weekend. At least. So we got some ground blooms, some neon nightmares, some American chills, some zombie minions, the WTF fountain, the double barrel cakes, which are really nice. Picked up some peanut heads. Also picked up some of these. Some stickless rockets. The one pack's open. Obviously, I tested some out. Just like I tested one of those out too already. Hope you guys had a good holiday. Stay safe. God bless. Peace. Stickless rocket. Stickless rocket. Club scored. Let's go. It's going.